Are you struggling to come up with new ideas? Do you wish you had someone to bounce ideas off of? Look no further than Chat GPT for brainstorming and idea generation. With Chat GPT, you can have a conversation with an AI-powered program that can help you generate new ideas and spark your creativity. Here are 3 real-life applications. First, let's say you're a content creator who needs to come up with new video ideas. You can start a chat with GPT and describe your niche. GPT can give you dozens of ideas based on popular topics in your field, current trends, and related keywords. Another example is if you're working on a project with a team. You can use Chat GPT to discuss ideas and brainstorm solutions. GPT can offer suggestions on how to approach a problem or take your ideas to the next level. Finally, Chat GPT is perfect for writers who are experiencing writer's block. You can use GPT to generate prompts or ideas for your next story. Or, if you're stuck on a specific plot point, GPT can help you brainstorm different directions to take your story. In conclusion, Chat GPT is a powerful tool for anyone who needs help with idea generation or brainstorming. With its ability to understand context and generate responses, it can be the perfect partner to help you boost your creativity and unlock new ideas. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content.